Hi guys, this is Rukaya and welcome back to the channel of Ruxia. And guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my quick 10 minutes blowout. This is legit 10 minutes all it takes. This is the fastest way you can blow dry your hair. Obviously the star of the show is this blow brush. So if you want to see how I do my blow dry, then just keep on watching. So guys, the rest of the video will be a voiceover. So first thing I'm doing is sectioning my hair. First I'm just going to work with two sections. My hair are not wet and they are not dry, they are damp. I'm using this Epitight thick hair mousse, just running it all over my hair. I am going to make sure the distribution of the product is very well and nice. I'm applying this from mid to the ends of the hair. I'm not applying this on the root. Now I'm going to take this Koshkoff thermal styler and applying the same way. Now obviously going to use the Agaro Blow brush. I'm using this on the third setting, which is the highest, and I'm just running my hair with this away from my face. You have to remember this, that you have to blow dry your hair away from your face, as away as you can do it. Then I'm just rotating the brush and that is just twisting my hair, which will give me that wavy form of hair, that blow dry effect. Again the same thing I'm doing, running my hair first 2-3 times with the blow brush and then twisting the brush. That will twist my ends of the hair from mid to the ends, and that will give me a nice curly blow dry effect. So guys, again I'm sectioning my hair, so that makes the blow drying easy because the rest of the hair are away from my face in the meantime. So I will be working with total 7 section, and that is how I do it all the time. It is quick and easy and effective way. Again I'm taking the same hair mousse, applying from mid till the end of the hair, and then I will again apply the Koshkoff cream from mid to the ends of the hair. This makes the hair really soft and smooth. Again I'm going to take the blow brush and run my hair 3-4 times first away from the face. Remember, you have to do it away from your face. And then I'm going to take the hair section and then I'm just going to rotate my hair again. You will see I'm twisting the brush. I'm not twisting my hair. Twisting the brush is making this happen, that my hair are getting twisted and curlier. It is so easy and effective way to do the hair. You can see I got such a nice blowout. Now I am again taking the back section and merging it again because I was not happy with that curl effect. So I'm again doing the same technique, rotating the brush, which will give me the curly effect away from the face. Now I'm again taking the fourth section of my hair. I'm not doing my front hair. I do the front hair in the very last. So again applying the hair mousse, then I will be again applying the Koshkoff thermal style cream mid to the ends of the hair, doing the blow dry. This is the real time, guys. I have not edited this section. This is how I do away from my face, and then taking it, the brush goes underneath my hair, as you guys can see. And now I'm twisting it. I'm pulling the hair and twisting it, pulling the hair and twisting it. You can see I'm doing it, pulling the hair, twisting it away from the face. This is the technique I do with all the hair. As you guys can see, I got a beautiful curl effect. You can see a clear difference in before and after. I'm going to take the rest of the section and apply the mousse. I usually apply the mousse all at once, all over my hair, and all the Koshkoff cream all at once, but just for the sake of the video I thought I will apply it section by section. There are some key points to remember. Remember that your hair should be damp, not wet and not dry. if your hair are wet, it will not give you this effect. Plus it will take longer time to blow dry, and that will damage your hair. Also, if your hair are already dry, then you will not get this effect. So your hair has to be damp. Again, as you guys can see, I'm taking the section. This is the second last section, and then I will only do the front section. I'm taking the hair and pulling it away from the face. The brush is under my hair, and then I'm twisting the brush, pulling the hair and twisting the brush, pulling the hair and twisting the brush. This is how you get a salon like blow dry effect with the blow brush. Now with the front section, to get a volume in my front section, I will run it first from underneath, then to the left side, and then to the right side, and then I will place my hair brush upwards direction, and then I will curl my hair. And now I switch off the blow brush and let my hair cool down for 30 seconds, and then I will release my hair so I get a little volume in my front section. As you guys can see, it looks very nice and pretty. Now just to finish off my hair, I will be using the Matrix hair serum. I use one small pump for one side and the other small pump for the other side of the hair. That is how I do it. Also guys, make sure to section your hair whenever you use a blow brush, because that makes a really huge difference in your hair. So guys, as you guys can see, now I'm just running my hair, making the curls loose, applying the serum to tame down the frizz, and this is the final result, you guys. So guys, if you made it till here, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Hope this video was helpful for you guys in one or the other way. Let me know in the comment section below what other videos you all want to see. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.